Hello neetpg and inicet aspirants. Medico was a platform started by a group of like-minded doctors to help and solve the major pain point of every single medico studying online or at home towards their neetpg and inicet goal, that is staying on track and knowing what is to be read in priority, what is to be learned in priority, what is to be practiced in priority for your neetpg and inicet goals depending on your score plan. So this problem had to be solved because majority of platforms out there have been always focusing on giving you more content and making you equipped to get that first rank. Yeah, first ranks are important, but most of us, 90% of us, are not studying for the first rank, but we're studying for the goal. That goal can be a radiology seat or an orthopedic seat or even an anatomy seat. It all depends upon what you want in life. So in this context, we medicos who have come together to create this platform wanted to create a uniform, playing field where all students, irrespective of the platform, can come together and start working out questions, because we have understood, have ourselves who have cracked. For example, I am inicet 37th rank all India. So we have understood that it is the most important part in a preparation journey. The crux of the journey is practicing questions, and most of the platforms, both online and offline, does not put efforts enough to make a medico practice enough number of questions and reach that confidence level required to achieve your target score. In this context, Medico has created a set of series of sessions which discusses pure questions that is taken out from the competencies. So what is a competency? Let's say anatomy in brachial plexus. We know that the trunk injuries, the branch injuries and the cord injuries have different clinical manifestations, and each of them have one question each. So these are the competencies inside brachial plexus. We also know that in embryology, the different timeline or the different cardinal events in embryological development is a question always. The pharyngeal arches, the derivatives and the arterial arches, very important areas, have questions there always. So these are competencies, right? So these competencies, reading notes makes us feel that we have read, but most of the times the questions asked from these areas cannot be solved by us because of our lack of practice or lack of clear-cut application of these information and questions. So that is where Medico believes that question practicing and solving is the crux of getting into any competitive exams, especially neetpg. We think that reading notes will take us to the goal, but it does not. Experience of almost every single topper out there has shown that without solving questions, you will not reach your goal. So irrespective of your target score being 350, 450, 550 or 650 above, you have to practice enough number of questions. And that is where Medico has created our unique PYQ PYT Pro series, targeted at people who are revising in the last minute or who are planning for a practice, structured practice platform or practice strategy to actually clear the PYQs and PYTs in specific. The Learn Pro of Medico, that you're seeing in the platform as well as in the app and YouTube videos as core concepts, are a detailed question-based discussion of every single competency out there in each of these subjects. Of course, it's large, it's almost 400 plus hours, but significantly lesser than the other platforms. It's around 400 hours of question discussions of each and every subject, planned to make you understand and help you solve a question from each of these competencies. And apart from that, we also understand that there is a lack of serious question bank that has an insight and feedback towards where you are going and what is your accuracy, what is your actual current stage in your preparation phase. So there we wanted to fill that lacuna by bringing a practice pro plan where you can get all the MCQs solved by you in the platform and practice and actually you can take a feedback on what you have done in the questions from the practice plan and the revision plan. So these are the things that Medico wants to do for you. So if you are a Medico who's out there planning for an neetpg and inicet right from first year to your post-intern or drop year, and you really want to get a learning trajectory which is actually telling you where you're going wrong and what you have to read and what you have to apply in questions, and understands that solving questions is the crux of cracking any competitive exam, then this platform will help you as an augmenting tool to your primary learning method as well as your primary learning method itself, if you believe in the practicing and solving questions learning method. So Medico as a platform wants to dedicate our channel, YouTube channel, for every single aspirant to come experience how practicing and solving questions together helps us improve. So every single video out there in this channel is designed as question discussions where we are actually solving questions with you and explaining the topic for you to understand and apply it further in further questions. So that's it. If you have any confusions or problems, you want to know more how these plans work, or how you want to know and contribute to Medico platform, or you want to, get some specific topics discussed and learn more with us, always feel free to come and comment in our videos or message us in our platforms in Instagram. We'll be always happy to actually connect with you and learn more and help you also learn more in that process. All the best. Signing off, Medico.